He is the proudly Nigerian and African-focused diversified services group with operations in Nigeria, Ghana, Sierra Leone, Liberia, the USA, and service footprints across the entire West African sub-region with a growing reputation for excellent services. Our brand is focused on becoming a regional model for the achievement of rapid and sustainable growth in market share and profitability through a culture of consistent value, creating service delivery to clients in all the sectors and countries of operation. We are an ISO 9001-2000 certified company with unflinching commitment to safety and welfare of employees, the communities within which we operate, and other stakeholders. We operate through fully owned subsidiaries in the following sectors: outsourcing and management services, logistics and courier services, security and protection services, facilities management, project management, oil and gas support and engineering services, and integrated cash management services. To become known and respected for the provision of excellent services consistently and to reflect excellence in everything we do. It's our vision, our mission to create sustainable value for our stakeholders through consistent, excellent service delivery, respect for the environment, and aggressive pursuit of profitability through responsible and ethical business practices. We are Excel Africa Group. We are defining the true essence of services.